Welcome everyone. I am Rupali representing Vedapi Global Services, specialist in providing support and services in BI and APM space. So we are specialists in pre-sale support, health checkup and optimization, installation configuration, upgrade migration, support and maintenance, end-to-end implementation. Today my webinar agenda is for integration of Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition with Asbest. So I will be covering why integrate Asbest and Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition, why use simple enterprise and software only installation type while installing Asbest with Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition, configuring security for Asbest and associate tools in Oracle Business Intelligence, working with Asbest cubes in Oracle Business Intelligence, understanding diagnostic logs and log configuration files. First of all, I will be explaining why integrate Asbest and Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition. With Asbest as a medial tier, Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition is very easy for end user to generate reports and design dashboards in less span of time. So with Asbest, Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition can provide the reports in very less span of time. While business intelligence is meant to serve the purpose of managing the analysis of day-to-day transactional activity. So with Oracle Business Intelligence, which manages the day-to-day transactional activities, and third one is enterprise performance management, is a summary analysis that provides the forward thinking and predictive and what if analysis. So Asbest enables you to develop and manage analytic applications and model complex scenarios, forecast business trends, and performs what if analysis. So Asbest supports for fast query response time using pre-aggregated dimensions. So this is for why integration of OBI and Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition. And then why use simple enterprise and software only installation type. So first for why use simple install type to install Asbest and associate components. So I'm going to explain first one, why use simple install type. Simple install type is mainly for to create and configure the WebLogic server domain and deploys the Asbest Java Enterprise Edition components to the administration server. And using it, managed servers are not created. If you select Asbest suite during installation process, then the simple install type deploys the Asbest Java Enterprise Edition components to the server and creates the single Asbest cluster called Asbest Cluster 1. And second for why use enterprise install type Asbest and associate components. So it separates the applications and their administration. Enterprise edition type creates and configure the single WebLogic server domain that contains the cluster with two WebLogic servers, and it contains the two administration servers and managed server. If you select the Asbest suite during the installation of Asbest Java Enterprise Edition components and Oracle Business Intelligence Java Enterprise Edition components are installed on a managed server with enterprise install type. You use the enterprise install type to select to scale out domain to additional managed servers, and it increasing the availability of Asbest with Oracle Business Intelligence to handle machine failures. Then third for why use software only installation type for Asbest and associate components. So it installed the software binary files in an existing middleware home, and there are no specified Asbest related reason why use software only install type. For example, to make WebLogic server domain changes before deploying the Oracle Business Intelligence into domain, it requires for enterprise deployment configuration. So these are all about why we use simple enterprise and software only installation type while installing with Asbest suite with Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition. Then configuring the security for Asbest and associate tools in Oracle Business Intelligence. So, Asbest components installed using Oracle Business Intelligence installer. As when we install the Asbest components with the Oracle Business installer, that time Asbest doesn't use the native Asbest and Hyperion Shared Services security. However, when you install the Asbest and Oracle Business Intelligence, then that time it uses the common security services. Uh, and then also if we note that if multiple Asbest data sources are being used by Oracle Business Intelligence, then there is a requirement to use the mechanism, and all Asbest data sources must use the same shared secret and producing CSS tokens. Then second, for to grant resource permission to users and applications role. So if we need to grant the resource permission definition to Asbest filters or Asbest calculations, then filters or calculations must already exist. Then for it, it is necessary to we can grant permissions to the resources uh, and applications roles. So that time we can give it with the help of Fusion middleware control. So for it, we just have to click business intelligence and then the core applications under business intelligence in Fusion middleware control. Then just we have to right click on business intelligence menu and then need to go for core application, and then need to select the application policies, and then need to select the OBR applications type. So this is about how to grant resources permissions to the users and applications role. Then second, third, for configuring the data level security using Asbest filter. So data level security enables you to restrict the dimensional data that users see in Asbest multi-dimensional databases, and secure the data level access for Oracle Business Intelligence users by configuring the resource permissions definitions on Asbest filter. Uh, and it can configuring access to the Asbest calculations. Then the next I'm going to explain the configuring access to Asbest calculations. So Asbest calculations enables you to apply the mathematical formulas to the data in Asbest multi-dimensional databases, and you enables the user to access the Asbest calculations by configuring resource permissions definition for Asbest calculation and granting them to the application roles. So these are all about how to configure the security for Asbest and associate tools in Oracle Business Intelligence. Then next, for working with Asbest cubes in Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition. So first of all, with working with Asbest cubes in Oracle Business Enterprise Edition, we need to create Asbest cubes in Oracle Business Intelligence. So we just have to log in with Asbest administration services, and we have to create the applications under Asbest server APM node, and we can create applications that I have mentioned in the screen, like this BI sample 2 and BI sample. and we need to create databases under these applications. The next, uh, how to import metadata from Asbest data sources. So we just have to open the RPD with online mode in Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition, and we have to open this RPD with administration tool in online mode, and then we just have to click on a file under import. We just have to um, import the multidimensional databases. Just here the next screen for to working with Asbest data sources, like we have to set here the connection type, as we are going to importing the metadata for Asbest. So need to give the connection type for Asbest. They need to give the Asbest server name here, and then need to give the username and password. So this is all about working with Asbest data sources while importing the metadata of Asbest cubes in a RPD file. So creation of Asbest databases connection in RPD after import. So after importing the Asbest cubes in a RPD file, we just have to create the Asbest databases connection pool. Then how to set Asbest server using connection pool. So in RPT file at a physical layer, there is a need to set the Asbest connection pool, and for it just need to add the Asbest server name and the port going to use in a for the Asbest agents in Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition. We just have to mention that port here with the Asbest server name, and we can give the IP address of that Asbest server, and we can give here the uh, name of the Asbest server, and just we need to add here the port number for Asbest connection, and just need to give the username and password as per mentioned in the screen like this. And next, for after importing the metadata of Asbest cubes in a RPT file, we just have to check the business intelligence analytics, and or here we can check the subject area, as we can see the imported metadata and imported applications here or not. We can check in a subject area of BI analytics. Then we can view the sample Asbest report results successfully in BI analytics. So we can check the reports result in the BI analytics, as we have imported our metadata and created Asbest connection pools in the RPD file at a physical layer. So we can get here report successfully or not. We can just check it in a business intelligence analytic. Now I'm going to explain understanding diagnostic log and log configuration file. So diagnostic is mainly for enabling Asbest logging, setting log levels, and viewing log files. So view Asbest log files in Fusion middleware control. So first of all, Asbest log files. Asbest log files located in the directory like middleware home, and then instance diagnostic log Asbest, and Asbest server, and then the Asbest and Asbest ODF. So we can check our Asbest log files in this location. Then next, Asbest shared services log file. So Asbest shared services log files are located in the directory under middleware home instances diagnostic log Asbest server and Asbest shared services. So we can check the Asbest shared services log file in this location. And then Asbest application log files. So Asbest application log files are not displayed in Fusion middleware control. We can check this directly over here, like middleware home under instance and under diagnostic logs, that and Asbest server, Asbest app and application, and then application name. So we can check this Asbest application log files in this location. Then Asbest agent log configuration file. So we can check the configuration file for Asbest agent log here, like this location, Oracle instance, and Asbest. Then Asbest server and bin logging.xml. So we can check this configuration file here, and then we can check our diagnostic log with the help of enterprise manager, and we can check it in a diagnostic tab in enterprise manager under core application. We can check our log with the help of enterprise manager. Thanks for participating in the webinar. We will look forward to see you again in upcoming webinars for Vedavi Global Services. Please contact us for any query related to BI and EPM space to email and mobile number available on the contact us site. Have a great time. Thank you.